Lauryn Hill, Biggie, Tupac, Outkast, WHOT, Class of 98, Hip Hop, and R&B. Winter is gone and summertime is finally here, and CarX has you covered. Is your AC lacking? Tires beat up from old man winter? Visit one of our 32 locations today. Jump in your ride now and get our summertime travel inspection for only $9.99. 101.8 WHOT, Cincinnati Zone, classic hip hop and R&B, Class of 98. Keep it locked.
The station with the best music. Best music.
I love the music.
WHOT on your FM dial, 109.8. Boys and Girls Club of America helps millions of kids and teens develop essential skills, make lasting connections, and have lots of fun. We offer impactful programs, sports and recreation, education, health and wellness, career development, and many more.
This is Skycam 13 reporting for WHOT in Cincinnati. If you're headed south on I-75, get comfortable. It'll be a while. The delays start at the Hopple exit due to a stalling vehicle, and don't let up until you hit the 7th Street exit downtown.
Ohio Media School is the only place to get your face on TV or on air behind the microphone. Unlike most schools, you start the journey to your career on day one. Maybe you're interested in the behind the scenes or on how TV and radio works. Are you angry, sad, tired, sick, easily scared, hot, cold, or just plain bored?
Well, Boost Bands is your solution. That's right, Boost Bands. Getting energy from sun up to sun down because it's solar powered.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention?
Oh yeah, it's the motherfucker.
You are listening to the home of throwback hip hop and R&B.